Listen up, my love. Let me ask you something real quick. And be honest with yourself now. How long have you been thinking about making money online? I'm not talking about just watching or not just saving posts, but actually thinking like, I need something of my own. Because I talk to women every single day who are tired, okay? Tired of stressing about bills, tired of depending on one paycheck, tired of not knowing where the next dollar gonna come from, tired of feeling like they got so much in them but don't have like a real outlet. And they all say the same thing. Coach Jay, I see everybody else doing it. I see everybody else winning, but I don't know where to start. So if you're new here, my name is Jerika, but everybody calls me Coach J, okay? I am a digital mentor, all right? And I help everyday women, especially my busy moms and my 9-to-5 women, build digital income using what they already know. I'm not talking about celebrities, no influencers with 1 million followers, okay? Regular women with real lives and real responsibilities. And I'm going to keep it 10,000 with you, okay? I'm going to keep it real with you. Most people don't fail at making money online because they're not smart. That ain't got nothing to do with it. They fail because they're overwhelmed. They're confused, trying to do everything at once. Too many ideas, too many videos, too many gurus, okay? But no clear direction. Like seriously, let's be honest real quick. You don't need another motivational post. You don't need another notebook full of notes, okay? And you sure don't need another free training that's just going to get you excited, all hyped up for 20 minutes, and then you're going to be right back where you started. Okay, what you need is something simple, something clear, straight to the point, something that's going to make you say, okay, I can actually do this, right? Because being inspired without a plan, now that's how people stay stuck for years right there, okay? And I'm like I told you, I'm going to keep it 10,000 with you. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. And this is exactly what I really want you to understand, love, okay? Making money online is not about being special. Okay? It's not about being perfect neither. It's not about even being super creative. I say that with love, okay? It's about learning how to package what you already know and turn it into a digital product that solves a problem. That's it. That's it. You already have the knowledge, my love. You already have the experience, okay? You already have the ideas that God has placed on your heart. You already have a story. We all have a story. You just need a way to turn it into something that actually pays you. And I'm talking about pays you so much money in your sleep that you ain't gonna have to work on your feet no more if you desire not to. So I created something for women who are tired of overthinking, okay? That just want to get started. It's called the Digital Product Kickstart Masterclass. And let me be clear real quick with you. It's not a long, boring course. It's not something that's just going to sit in your email for months, okay? It is short, sweet, and simple. Straight to the point training where I walk you through how to create your first digital product using Canva and ChatGPT. No tech overwhelm, no fancy tech skills, no fancy tools, no complicated setup, okay? I keep it super simple. I love to cover just the basics, just enough for you to get started, okay? Inside, I show you how to figure out what kind of digital product makes sense for you, okay? How to use Canva, ChatGPT to bring it to life. How to turn it into a PDF, a guide, a planner, whatever you desire, okay? And how to set it up on your store so you can actually sell it, all right? Cover all the tea, all right? So you're not just sitting there like, am I doing this right? Is this going to even work? You know, asking yourself all those questions, those skeptical questions. I can't ever get that out. Okay, am I wasting my time? You finally have that clarity. That's exactly what I want for you is clarity, right? And because I don't like making things harder than what they're supposed to be. So I also give you my Creating Cash In guide where I show you exactly how to use that Canva and ChatGPT, how to set up your stand store, okay? Because I teach all my students how to use the all-in-one creator stand store, on how to build it. You will watch me build a digital store step by step. So by the end, you're not just learning, you're actually building something, okay? Because that's what I want for you. And the reason I'm so confident in this is because I've watched women, and a few men too, who had no followers, no experience, no product, and no confidence whatsoever, go from, I don't know where to get started, I don't know where to start, to wait, I actually have something of my own now, okay? And that does something to me every time, okay? It didn't happen overnight, right? Not magically, but for real. It really happened because they applied the things that was taught to them, the super simple steps that I gave them. They applied it, and that's what I love. Now listen, I could have easily made this like $97, $147, or even more. But guess what? I made it $27 on purpose. Because I'm not trying to scare you, okay? Because I understand starting something new can be scary. I'm trying to help you move, execute in this season. Sometimes the biggest thing holding us back is just not taking the first step. Okay? And this is your safe first step. So if you're watching this and something in you is like, yeah, I'm tired of just thinking about it, go ahead, click the link down below to join the Digital Product Kickstart Masterclass today. I'm super excited. It is $27 and you get instant access, okay? And everything that I discussed, you get that as well. You can literally start today. And if you end up loving this and you want to go deeper, okay, with support, community, and a full system, I also invite you inside of my Freedom Formula. But right now, love, don't worry about all that. Just start, kickstart first, okay? Everything else will make sense after that. Of course, I got to say this, right? Results are not guaranteed. This is not no get-rich-quick scheme, okay? You still have to show up, apply what you learn. But if you're ready to stop watching and literally start taking action and finally build something of your own, I'll see you inside of the Kickstart, my love.